Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video will detail how to add certificates into the Foglight Agent Manager for SSL database connections. When monitoring remote databases in SSL mode, certificates for the database server must be imported into the key store on the Foglight Agent Manager. The certificates must be present to monitor SQL Server, Azure SQL, DB2, and Oracle if the FMS is in FIPS compliance mode. Certificates must also be imported for the Oracle DB2 and Sybase cartridges when the FMS is not in FIPS compliance mode. The specific steps to import the certificates differ based on the database platform and operating system used by the Foglight Agent Manager. For most database agent types, the process involves navigating to the database cartridge's agent lib folder on the FigLam, and then using the certificate tool script to import the certificate into the FigLam's key store. Full details on the steps to import certificates can be found in Knowledge Base article 317939, which includes links to other articles specific for each database cartridge and the SQL PI repository. To begin, log into the Foglight console. In this example, we will import a certificate for the SQL Server cartridge and use a Windows-based Foglight Agent Manager, and we will not add the SQL PI extension. Importing a certificate for the SQL PI repository will be covered in a separate video. From the Global View Databases dashboard, add the connection details for the new database agent. At this time, the FigLam does not have a certificate in the key store for the SSL connection from the database server. Click the Monitor button to begin the Add the Agent. A pop-up appears with the error message that the SSL handshake has failed with the certificate unknown 46 error. This indicates that the connection failed and the certificate should be imported into the key store. Click the Close button and then cancel the installer wizard. Open a command prompt and navigate to the Foglight Agent Manager Agent Library folder. The database cartridge must already be deployed to the Foglight Agent Manager for the lib folder to be present. In the folder, we can find the certificate tool batch file for Windows and certificate tool shell script for Linux and Unix. Both of these call the certificate Java jar file. Enter the command to run the batch file and add the certificate location. For this example, I have placed the file in ctemp. For Linux and Unix, an extra step may be required to change the permissions of the shell script to run the script. The certificate has now been imported. Now return to the Global View Database dashboard and again add the connection details for the new database agent in the wizard. Click the Monitor button to add the new agent. After a few moments, new agent will be created. And after a short time, the metrics will appear in the dashboard. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit our support site at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.